Samsung introduced the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition last week. The foldable arrived for sale during the weekend, before promptly being sold out in just 10 minutes. The phone is a serious upgrade over the Fold 6 with larger displays of more comfortable aspect, thinner profile, and a 200MP main camera. According to insiders, the sale began with a 7-hour delay as the company needed time to assess production quantities and decide on the amount to release. The demand was so high that retailers and carriers did not even get the phone because of stock shortages. Samsung did not reveal how many units were in the first batch, though. Samsung does not plan to release the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition globally. It might hit the Chinese market, though, under the Samsung W25 name with a custom black and gold paint job in a partnership with China Telecom. The price of the phone is KRW 789 600, which is nearly $2050/Euro 1850.